So I believe there's three simple questions that should be asked before making any changes. Can it be done better? Can it be done more efficiently? And can it be done safer? So can we improve on what we're already doing? Well, they say a picture paints 1,000 words, or in this case I should say numbers. And there is no doubt that a 3D scan captures more data than a traditional manual survey. But it is the utilisation of that data that improves this technology over traditional methods. As with a traditional survey, 3D data has the capacity to provide information for the design and CAD team. But it also creates opportunities for the entire delivery team to visualise the project. This encourages early development, and by immersing yourself in a 3D environment, it becomes easier to identify potential problems and design changes when compared to 2D drafting data. More importantly, it means that you can bring the project site to the office and share it throughout the project and delivery team, and therefore minimizing any further costs or delays incurred by site revisits. We have proved that 3D laser scanning can reduce on-site data collection times by up to 80%. And because the data is so accurate and instantly available, design programs can also benefit, especially with no need to return to site to collect additional data. And with the final design now free from error, you can minimize any need to make costly changes during construction. It is important to remember that by using this technology, we are saving costs that you do not necessarily budget for. Program delays, reworks for example. The real cost comes in delivering the project right first time. Okay, we already know that we can reduce the amount of time we spend on site. And statistics show that the less time on site, the fewer incidents and accidents are recorded. But due to the capacity of the scanner, we can also capture data from up to 330 meters, which gives enough flexibility to take site measurements from the ground or at least a safer area on site. This means that there's no need for expensive access equipment or working at heights. Further risk can be reduced by remotely accessing the scanner, again from a safe location. This allows for the entire delivery team to have access to restricted areas from the safety of an office environment. We all know that technology is continually improving, and we are committed to providing the latest in equipment. I've already mentioned most of its capabilities, but an important feature is the GPS, which allows us to geo-reference the scan data with local and global coordinate systems. I wanted to finish with a case study completed for FSD at Basingstoke Wastewater Treatment Works. FSD were contracted to install pipework across the site, and as you can see, it's a very labour-intensive process. Before any manufacture could take place, dimensions needed to be verified against the original model, and it was noted that there were variations. We were asked to attend site and complete a laser survey. The objective was to record the location of known flange faces from across the site to enable the manufacture of the pipework. The site was approximately 7,000 square meters, and 38 scans recorded over 475 million points of data within an 8-hour period. The overall accuracy of this project was 4.6 millimeters, which was well within the tolerances agreed with our client. So by completing the 3D laser survey, we identified 54 individual flanges on site. These were then recorded in 3D space. This information was imported into FSD's modelling system, and they were able to create and design their pipework based on the information provided by the 3D scan. This allowed the manufacture of pipework to be delivered to site and fitted error-free. This slide shows how easy it is to take measurement information from the 3D scan data, in this case taken from the planar view. It's also interesting to note that by the time this scan was completed, it was early evening and the site was in darkness. But because the scanner does not need natural light, it easily identifies the location of the pipework. The 3D laser survey provided a number of solutions on this scheme. From the provision of accurate survey data, the pipework was designed, manufactured and installed error-free. So, how did we do? Well, I believe we've done it safer. We've reduced the amount of time that the survey and installation teams have spent on site and minimised any working at heights. We've done it more efficiently, again by reducing time and eliminating reworks. And I believe we've done it better. We've increased the data capture, we've shared the information with the project and delivery team, and we've given confidence in design and customer satisfaction.